This little guy scared the bejeebas out of me. Don't you move. I'm looking at you. Matter of fact. Hey, where you going? Where you going? I just want to take a picture. That's all. I just want to take a picture. Don't go anywhere. I'm just gonna take a picture, okay? All right? Just stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Just stay there. No, don't go. Don't go. Stay there. No, don't go. Don't go up the wall and just crawl away. You stay there. I must take a picture of you. Let me take a picture of you. Come on, just let me. Come on, let me. Let me take a picture of you. Don't jump. Just let me take a picture. That's one picture. Where are you going? Please don't run away. Dang, he jumped way over there. Amazing. There's people that can't jump that far. I'm just saying. Well, I'm gonna let you be.
Oh, would you look at that? He's been in the city for like a week or two now. All the changes that have been taking place around here. And y'all need to back up. For real. Y'all too close with your lights off and it's raining. What's wrong with y'all? I couldn't even see y'all signal.
That boy over there jamming. Don't worry about the siren. Okay, I got it. If you followed me on Twitter, you would have seen me post 2 tweets about this. And many of you suffered this month of March. So we will now, I wouldn't say mourn, we will now remember, have a memorial. We will regret the G4. It was a good phone. It worked well for what seemed like a year's time. It had a removable battery, expandable storage, a nice curved shape, and a removable back. But all of them fell victim to boot loop. The worst kind of death. A death that repeats itself over and over again. Let us not forget, lest we repeat history. Thank you for that moment. With this G4, no more. Remember, many replaced their Note 7s with V20s. So LG recovered somewhat. But when people lost their G4s, they moved on to Samsung and Apple. Thanks, LG. I'm gonna try this again. Okay. Trees. What was that? It's a cow.
Took a whole bunch of video footage earlier, but of course, Sony has problems with using disc. Anyway, of course, they're here to help, but they're not trained to handle cows. They're still living. But that's all good. There's still 2 out. They're gonna find the number to the guy who owns these cows and take care of it. I mean, come on, they look kind of out of place, don't they? I mean, look at the neighborhood. And if you're smart, you can tell where my house is. I mean, look at the neighborhood. Look at that. Houses, trees, cows. No, I don't think so. Oh, there's another. How exciting. Oh, wow. 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 I'm glad they didn't do that on my lawn. No, they didn't do that on my lawn, thank goodness. So exciting, so exciting. Let's do a little more, shall we? Let's take a quick walk without the dog. Look both ways. Okay. There's another one. It's hard to take pictures and move. Alright. There we go. No, that's still hard to take pictures and move. Ah, you got away. I can't really see him. There's too much light. Oh, there's some shade right here. He's hiding back there. Anyway, that's the fence that they came through right there. How exciting. Oh, there's another one. Come on, tree, what you doing? There we go. Yeah. He's fitting in real good right there. Oh. Hey, another angle. Oh, there's another one. Oh, come on, tree, what you doing? Let's see. I can't quite. There he is. That one's where he's supposed to be. This one's where he's not supposed to be. Supposed to be on the left. Not supposed to be on the right. What else should I do? Oh, look at the baby calf. Aw, come on, tree, what you doing? Okay. Aw. Okay, anyway. Oh, he's on the move. No. Oh, and then I said, the grass is greener on this side, apparently. Much greener. Yeah, I'm taking a picture of you. Got a problem? Huh? That's what I thought. You eat your grass and like it. Wow. Let's see, it's, what time is it? 3:30, 40? People are gonna be getting home pretty soon. Come on, animal control. Alright, let's take another walk. Oh, I just put my house on camera. Oh, wow. He hasn't been up there before. Very exciting. Wow, I made this video about as long as my songs. Okay, I'm not standing under this tree. A bird just pooped. That's not even cool. At least there's no numbers to see on people's houses, you know, doesn't give away where they are. Keeps the whole privacy thing going, you know. That's just awesome though. I'm just in the middle of recording upstairs, chilling, doing my thing, playing. Then I look outside the window and what do I see? What'd you learn? New development. The dude that's gonna be coming to get it, because animal control apparently does not take care of cows. I don't blame him. So a sheriff from out of High Springs. Big ups, High Springs.
I was talking to my sister on the Nextel. We have quick
Uh-huh.
Connect.
Yeah.
She's like, well, go round them up. And I'm like, yeah, right.
Yeah.
I'm sure they'll do a good thing, and one of them will run out, run into a car, kill itself, and damage the car. And
Yeah.
so then who's going to get their butt chewed?
Exactly. This is not a Nextel commercial.
Oh, it's a lot better in the shade.
Yup.
I don't know how they deal with being out in that direct sun like that.
I don't know. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do to eat.
Come over here to visit.
I'd eat in the sun if I could, you know, if I had to, you know.
It's freeze-free, right?
Yup.
The latest traffic control.
I know, right?
Keeps them moving slow, doesn't it?
Yeah. They're just driving off fast like, okay, there's a cow. We gotta slow down. We gotta slow down.
I thought I saw a cow. I better check and see how much I've been drinking.
No, exactly. Oh, there's a cop. Crap.
Too late.
Too late.
Did they call the farmer?
I don't know his
I don't
number.
know his number either. And
Okay.
evidently the
Call
dispatchers don't
Boss
know.
Hart. You call Boss Hart.
Wow.
He owns this house and the one across the way that are rentals.
Yeah.
Boss Hart has to be able to get in touch with him.
I don't have my phone with me.
So,
Dispatch is sending out a deputy with the trailer. So,
yeah.
you know,
But
like them-
still, I would try calling that number, and they'll be able to get hold of the farmer, and he'll get them back in. Well, we always love looking across the street and across the fence at them.
And especially hearing them, you know.
Oh yes, they get very loud. Some days, and some days you don't hear them at all. Some
Yeah.
days they just move away. But they are really enjoying that grass. They just eat at it and look up like, oh, this is so good.
Yeah, they're getting that grass that gets mowed every now and then.
Well, I think what you should do is, have a neighborhood gathering and
Wow.
all come and see what
Everyone,
you photographed.
everyone come look at the cows. I'm just gonna put this on Facebook and YouTube and all that good stuff. See how many hits I get.
You probably get quite a few.
I don't know. Maybe most people are used to seeing cows, but people in the city, I don't know.
Your mom will say, there were what?
They were
Where?
what? Where?
Oh, don't do that. Don't.
What?
She's going to start a herd running.
Oh.
And that's not a very good idea.
She just don't want them in the yard.
It's fine, but then she's going to damage them or get them injured or,
Very exciting.
Ma'am, let him be. We got a deputy coming out to deal with him.
And you're on camera, be careful. Exactly. The one day you forget the lasso, you know? Ugh, I should have ate. Have not done that today. Yeah, let's pass by 3 times. Why not? Right there, yep. Wow. It's like a freaking salad for them. All kinds of new greens that they can eat that they haven't eaten before. This feels like a documentary instead of a... Yeah, I know this feels like a documentary. Yep. Yep, all up in it. And people renting this place are going to be pleasantly surprised. Shoot, anyone in this area that's renting is going to be pleasantly surprised. When I got this place, I did not know there was going to be cows in my lawn. Oh. Okay, they're moving on to the next lawn. Next lawn. Yeah. Alright, commercial break. All the cows came over into our neighborhood and they're all walking around and I'm taking video footage right now. I'm a horrible cameraman. It's too bright. Okay, there we go. Yep. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yep, those are the same 6. That's all 6 of them, I think. Every once in a while, you'll hear me talking to either my neighbor who lives on my right side or the officer that was called out here who is on my left side. And her car's right behind me, if you can hear that. Yep, he's here. Yep. Ford Super Duty to the rescue. Wow. Well, at least it's not throw up, right? Y'all about to get back where y'all belong. Hang tight. Watch your step. There's poo everywhere.
And let you hang around over here and you get hurt?
Who, me?
You know who they're gonna look at?
They're doing the red shirt, yes.
To me, why didn't I tell you to go on about your business?
Nah, I know how to run. I guess he came back that way, yeah. I guess I gotta recharge this thing. Ooh, they went way over there. I never actually took pictures of way back here, but there's a creek back here, and of course it's empty right now. But